Barbara Kemigisa akyogera lwatu nti alina akawuka akaleeta mukenenya era ensonga z'obulwadde buno tazikwekerera. Ono nga mukozi ku Makerere University Business School amaze emyaka 7 ng'asomesa abantu ku kawuka akaleeta mukenenya. Bino bye bimu ku bintu Barbara byakola mu kaweefube gwaliko okubunyisa enjiri. Obusero buno busulibwamu kasasiro Barbara bukola ng'akozesa obukebe obuweddemu eddagala eriweweeza akawuka ka mukenenya. Agamba nti ekigendererwa kye mu kino kwe kukunga abantu naddala abo abamanyi bwe bayimiridde ku kawuka okulekeraawo okwetya.
We are not scared because these are the reasons the person I am. I'm able to have my negative husband and I'm able to have a negative child. So I have no reason whatsoever to be ashamed of them.
Okwongera amaanyi mu kaweefube ono kyaddirira ekifaananyi ky'akasero ke okulabikira ku mukutu gwa Twitter emabegako. Kizibu okuyita ku kasero kano n'otakeetegereza. Era olw'ensonga eyo yasalawo okuteekako obubaka ku kawuka ka mukenenya n'ennamba ye ey'essimu.
Actually, one guy commented, if this person has swallowed medication, all these bottles, I'm going to keep myself safe.
I think it should be a picture to even other people there who are feeling sorry or pity for themselves, and they come up and do something like that, because in the end, life has to move on.
From the product that you see that they are aiming at conserving the environment, enhancing creativity.
Obusero buno abukolera waka n'atimbako obumu wabweru era abo bwe busikiriza okutunuulira akozesa omukisa ogwo okwogerako nabo ku nsonga z'akawuka.
Nze nina akawuka ka mukenenya wabula sirina
mu kiseera kino Barbara akola n'abantu 9 abamuyambako naddala mu kukungaanya obukebe bw'akozesa.
We collect them from health centers, especially those that are giving treatment and care for HIV positive people. But our plan is not to just collect them. We are to buy them from young people and adolescents living with HIV who are swallowing ARVs and have reached undetectable viral loads, as a way to appreciate them for their effort in swallowing ARVs.
Alina essuubi nti singa kino kikwatayo ng'enjogera bw'eri kyakuteekawo empuliziganya wakati w'abantu abalina akawuka. Essira okusinga ayagala kuliteeka ku kyakwejjanjabisa na kumira ddagala kiyimusa omutindo gw'obulamu bw'abalwadde b'akawuka ka mukenenya.
Barbara Kemigisa speaks candidly about HIV and AIDS. She's also not afraid to mention that she is HIV positive. Kemigisa, who is also an employee of Makerere University Business School in Nakawa, has been doing awareness and advocacy
and
work
young people
for
that
7 years.
We need to impact.
She says she is open about her HIV status because she wants to live a free life. She has adopted novels to carry out her work. She has displays outside her workshop, dustbins which are made out of ARV people, and they are inscribed. She gets a chance to interact with them. Raise awareness. She currently works with a team of 9 people. Kemigisa explains why she took on this idea. Says this initiative, once improved, will help improve communication between people living with HIV and AIDS. After a picture of one of spread a message of adherence to treatment was posted which improves the health of HIV positive persons, and also carry a message with a mobile number.
One of the biggest challenges in the fight against HIV and AIDS here in Uganda is acceptance. One, to believe that they have acquired the disease, but once you have lived to agree with that fact, then you have to adhere to treatment. Barbara Kemigisa decided to start up this initiative to use empty ARV bottles to make various items, including this flower pot here and this chair made up of about 1,000 empty bottles. She says to her this is a way she can sensitize her community and many other people to adhere to their treatment.